you're wondering कि इस बार राखी पर भाई को क्या गिफ्ट दूं, then I have a very simple tip. The best gifts aren't the most expensive ones. They are the ones that feel the most personal. So अगर आपका भाई आपका प्रोटेक्टर हो, पार्टनर इन क्राइम हो, या फिर वो जो हर बात पर टांग खींचता हो, here are some gifts ideas that he'll genuinely love. If your brother is someone who values memories, then personalized keepsakes are always a safe choice. Personalized sibling memory LED photo frame at $7.95 is your favorite thing for a sibling memory. You can also choose the sibling checklist gold metal frame at $7.45, the sibling scallop frame at $5.95, the sibling bestie frame with wooden stand at $5.95, and personalized brother wooden photo frame at $4.95. ये सिर्फ photo frames नहीं हैं. These are memories that he'll keep close every single day. If your brother is someone who's always traveling, working, या फिर कॉफी के बिना तो दिन शुरू ही नहीं होता, then the personalized Best Bro travel mug is a fantastic premium pick at just ₹1,000. And if you're looking for something under the budget, the Super Bro notebook at $425, library card notebook at $475, and the Sibling Prime Bro and Sis mug at $394 are some of the practical gifts he'll use every day. And if your sibling relationship is full of nook-choke, your gifts should reflect that too. The personalized superhero caricature for brother at $574 is guaranteed to make him smile. And the siblings nook-joke personalized jigsaw wooden puzzle at $745 pretty much sums up every brother-sister relationship. थोड़ा प्यार और थोड़ी मस्ती, और साथ में unlimited leg pulling. If your brother is someone who lives in another city or abroad, gift him something that reminds him of home. The siblings far but close mug at $445 is a sweet reminder that distance सिर्फ cities का होता है, relationships का नहीं. और अगर इस साल राखी सिर्फ भैया के लिए नहीं, भैया भाभी दोनों के लिए है, there are some amazing options. The personalized Spotify भैया भाभी photo frame at $545 is a keepsake they will both love. For something fun, go for the personalized Bhaiya Google search mug at $345 or the Bhabhi Google search mug at $345. और अगर भाभी को भी सरप्राइज देना हो ना, तो भाभी हो तो ऐसी personalized coffee mug at $494 is a cute little gift that always gets a smile. And if you want to go to the extra mile this Raksha Bandhan, the personalized green leather essentials Rakhi gift hamper at $1250 is a premium gifting options with stylish essentials and personalized touches. After all, Rakhi gifting isn't about spending more. It's about saying, I know you and I picked these for you. Explore IGP's complete collection of personalized Rakhi gifts for brothers, Bhaiya Bhabhi gifts, and premium hampers to find the perfect match. Happy Raksha Bandhan!